In iCONstruct software version 1.5, it is possible to create detailed reports of volume calculations immediately, while still in the field. It is possible to tailor the appearance of these reports to include a specific logo, address, and contact details. This video details the configuration process. Within Windows Explorer, access Documents, Leica Geosystems, Icon, Config, Reports Config. Within the folder, it's possible to configure two pieces of information. One, the logo that will appear on the report, and two, the address and contact details that appear next to the logo. The file that defines the logo is the PNG file, company logo. So if I open with Paint and paste the desired logo, then save, this will appear in the report. The other relevant document here is the XML document, template. This is a configuration file which defines the name, address, and contact details that appear on the produced report. So if I right-click and select Open with Notepad, the configurable fields are displayed. Here is the field label and here is the content. So currently, the name is configured to hexagon AB. To change the value for any field, replace the existing text with the desired content. I will change the name and address details, edit the telephone number, and remove the fax number. This value here defines how the report style is labelled within Icon. So now I close and save and open Icon from the taskbar. I will now create a report based upon the changes made. Within the report screen, the title defined in the configuration file is displayed here. It is possible to create numerous report styles. There are two configured here. Each one has its own configuration file stored in the report's config folder. So if you want to create different reports that contain different addresses or contact numbers, you can create the configuration file, then select the relevant style from this screen. Each report style will adopt the same logo, as defined in the company logo PNG file. Once the report style is selected, I can select which calculation to generate a report with. In the current job there is one calculation. If there were multiple calculations, I could select them here, and an individual report would be generated for each selected calculation. There is the option of including all points in the report, or simply 5, to give an idea of the coordinates. This means that the report doesn't have to be unnecessarily long if hundreds of points were used to create the terrain model. In this screen, I define the location and file format of the report. I can store on internal memory or USB stick if connected. For internal memory, it is possible to store in a generic reports folder or within a project-specific reports folder. There are 4 file format options: PDF and HTML, which include graphics, and CSV and TXT, which include just text. So once the location and file format are defined and accept is pressed, the report is created and stored as specified. Here is the created HTML report with the logo and contact details defined earlier. So, in a short space of time, it's possible to configure the appearance of the volumes report to suit, and even select from a number of different configurations, depending on your reporting requirements.